We are pleased to show you the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service, memorized settings for 2 drivers, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel, power seat, power driver mirror, heated side mirrors, telescopic steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.